A hybrid cloud deployment should not be hard. And I'm going to go into a short demo later where I can demonstrate, for an example, how you add zones or how you scale your environment and how easy that actually is. So we are not very vertical specific. We are, like you've seen here, we are in the financial industry, healthcare, gaming, telcos, data center, service providers. We service a lot of NRENs, which are the national research and educational networks. We do a lot in research. So our customer base is very diverse. What the common factors are is that they have some in-house development, they have hardware, they have needs that need automation, more automation, and they want to increase the efficiency of their operations teams and make the development teams better prepared for faster delivery and faster execution. So those are the features that Qstack offer just right out of the box. So I wanted to kind of make this workshop a little bit interactive. So is there somebody here that has any opinion in, for an example, hybrid cloud? What do you expect from hybrid cloud? What is people here looking for when they look at hybrid cloud? Have you made any opinion, or is it completely in the dark what hybrid cloud is?
I think for me, hybrid cloud still is rather a confusing phrase. And if I was looking at the size of organisation that I used to run, I would be a little hesitant about trying to build a set of technology features on a hybrid cloud, because I still wouldn't be too clear about understanding how it would actually operate. Are you finding that the marketplace at the moment is still trying to puzzle out what hybrid cloud actually means? And does it mean 10 things to 8 different people?
Absolutely. Very similar to cloud. What is cloud? Cloud is a huge spectrum of services or platforms that can be defined as cloud. But for an example, private cloud is pretty well defined. Hybrid cloud to us is a private cloud that is capable of managing more than one location. That other location being either another data center, another private cloud, or another public cloud. And that is hybrid to us. When we talk about hybrid cloud, often we hear a lot of kind of expectations that are really good ideas, but are unrealistic when it comes to the technology, the practical things of executing on it. So yeah.
Obviously, you talked about public and private cloud, but what about mixing that with any sort of on-premise environments as well? So there's the capability for that as well. Because you go to many organisations like my own, probably go through a journey where you're moving some services to a cloud environment, be that public or private, but you're also going to have part of your estate still on-premise as well.
Exactly. And that is, so what our take on hybrid cloud is that there are no silver bullets when your organization should not just go private cloud or just go public cloud. It's going to be a mix. It's going to be a mix of workloads. This data set is really sensitive. It needs to be in-house, or these are production applications that you want to run in-house and have full control. But this data set over here can actually be in a public cloud because this is non-critical, or the workloads just they vary. So it's very suitable for a public cloud where you can get on-demand added resources. So there are no silver bullets when it comes to that. And the cloud discussion is often about you should go just public or you should go just private. But to us, this is hybrid is a matter of the freedom of choice, and having a platform that enables you to securely use public cloud or securely consolidate all your locations under one single management orchestration. So, and having full control of your data that way, that to us is hybrid cloud with the functionalities that I'll show you guys a little bit later. So, are there some here that are using public cloud today? If you just show your hands. So about 50%. How about in the next 12 months? 12 to 24 months. Somebody planning on it? If you guys are using, for an example, VMware today, and I mean, the majority of the attendees here that I've spoken to have some sort of virtualized environments. Most of them are using VMware for virtualization. So how do you combine the two? How are you going to combine your usage without having a management nightmare of managing both the public cloud usage that doesn't support very well the management of multiple users and your VMware environment that is not offering self-service and is now on the mercy of your operations team to service out, creating a huge load on your operations team. So when you, for an example, like I said before, when you set Qstack up on a VMware environment, it becomes EC2 compliant. You can burst into the AWS and use the same tools there. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go through a quick demo and show you our platform.
Well, that's far enough. So is what you're sharing with the CIOs a feature to have that ability to flex up when their demand, say, at a main billing stage or a particular point in the business cycle, where they can set their platform up and I think I'm hearing there are some significant benefits here, and I'm just trying to sort of get my head around what they might be. Sounds quite exciting. You could actually burst if there was a business challenge. You can monitor various islands of your infrastructure on-premise,
Exactly.
data center.
Exactly.
And that might reduce costs because you don't need expensive people to configure these platforms.
So the efficiency of the operations team is going to increase a lot because now you have your developers spending not waiting for IT resources. We've heard everything from development waiting for a server to be served from 3 days to 8 weeks. So an idle developer is not very cost beneficial. So, but the operations team also, these are the core people of the IT operations of every company. These are the guys that are architecturing the network. They are security patching. These are the gatekeepers to your IT security. And to have these guys servicing out resources is frankly not necessary anymore. It is, developers are really used because in their side projects, they're probably using AWS, Azure, Rackspace, Google Cloud, or something like that. And they are really used to self-service. And in many organizations, they have this frustration that I'm waiting 8 weeks for resources. What am I going to do? I'm going to spin up my own account in AWS. I'm going to put the source code in AWS on my personal account. I'm going to do my work there because I don't have time to wait for my operations team. That is the essence of shadow IT. And that's frustration that is building up, and the lack, basically the speed of delivery. So when for example, development teams get their hands on Qstack for the first time, we have a really good example, and we distributed USB keys here that have, for example, case studies from CCP, a major global gaming studio that has adopted Qstack and how they are utilizing Qstack to manage their public and private cloud resources. But we have also case studies and white papers from other customers of ours and how they